Welcome back to another video. So we've got two Madam Glam parcels today with brand spanking new products inside. So in this one we have got Madam Glam's brand new cat eye collection. So the name of this collection is called the Spring Jewel Collection, made up of 6 gorgeous super cat eyes. Wait until you see these colours, they are so vibrant. So you get 15ml, you got your swatch on the top, you got your ingredients on the back. If anyone wants to take a screenshot of those, you can do. You've also got the directions on the back there. So these gels cure for 1 minute in an LED light and 2 minutes in a UV light. You got the name on the bottom, so this one's called Sapphire Love. We have got Yellow Diamond, Jade Dream, Citrine Obsession, Emerald Gaze, and then lastly we have got Ruby Madness. So let's have a look at them, shall we? So I've got my posh Madam Glam swatch sticks all labelled, ready to go. I've also pulled out black swatch sticks as well. Now these cat eyes haven't got to be applied over a black or a dark colour, but we all know they're so much more vibrant over a black. These gloves, guys, was too small for me, so I've had to put a black glove on my left hand because my nails were so long. The gloves were way too small. Look at the lid on this one, it looks like it's melted. Never seen anything like it. So, like all Madam Glam gels, these are also vegan, cruelty-free, 21-free formula, palm oil-free and henna-free. So the first one up we're going to swatch is Emerald Gaze. Now, I'm going to show you me applying these over the black swatch sticks. We're going to take a look at what they look like as a full cover colour. Then we're going to take a look at what they look like with the cat eye effect. Guys, look at this. I love how it draws all that glitter. It's beautiful. So that's what it looks like with the cat eye effect. That is probably my favourite one at the light. It's beautiful colour. Then I'm just going to do a little swirly pattern like this. Look at that. It looks like a bright flash of light going across the nail, doesn't it? Stunning. So I'm going to cure that for 1 minute. And then this is what it looks like as a full cover colour over the clear. Now we are on to Sapphire Love. Beautiful blue colour this one is. So yeah, like I said, I'm going to show you me applying these over the black swatch sticks. Show you what they look like with the cat eye effect. And then with the clear swatch sticks, I'm just going to show you what they look like as a full cover colour. And at the end of the video, we'll take a look at what they look like with the cat eye effect on the clear. So I'm going to speed the swatching up now, pop some music on, and I shall pop back in a minute.
I can't be nothing better than spending my day with you. My life's sunny and better, girl, when I'm with you. She's luminous so bright like a star in the skylines. She got the looks, the good, oh boy, I need her so bad in my life. Shawty, where you wanna go, 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 go? London, Paris, Tokyo, oh, shawty, we could go. Don't need no luggage, nah, 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 nah. Don't need no stress, girl, nah, 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 nah. Just me and your sun's alright, girl. I want nobody but you. 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 Feel better if I save the songs for you when you feel down and better. Shawty, I'll be there for you. We'll be like Bonnie and Clyde, how we everybody else, you and me against the world, girl. You'll be my B, I'll be your J, yeah. We'll be so dangerous in love, girl. Shawty, where you wanna go, 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 go? London, Paris, Tokyo, oh, shawty, we could go. Don't need no luggage, nah, 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 nah. Don't need no stress, gal, nah, 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 nah. Just me and your songs alright, girl. I want nobody but you. I want nobody but you. I want nobody but you. I want nobody but you.
And that is what they look like, all swatched over a clear with the swirly cat eye effect. Now I'm just trying to show you here, you can still see through that bit there. They are slightly transparent, which I really like. So they're kind of like jelly cat eyes. They're so smart, aren't they? That emerald gaze is definitely my favourite. Definitely, it's beautiful. They're all really, really pretty though. I just love how they look like a flash of light going across the nail. Stunning. Especially in matte, this emerald gaze. Beautiful. So yeah, that's what they look like, matte and shiny, swatched over a clear. And then this is what they look like, shiny, swatched over the black. You can see they're so much more vibrant over the black, aren't they? I don't know though, saying that over the clear, they are still really vibrant. They're just all really, really pretty. Some really, really pretty colours there. I likes them. Can you see when I'm moving them about? It looks like they're glowing. They're so cool. So which one is your favourite, guys? Do you have a favourite? I'm definitely going for the Emerald Gaze. I think that's a beautiful shade. So now we're on to the second parcel. And inside here we have... Boom, boom, boom. We've got the white embossing gel. We've got a black embossing gel. And we've got the rose gold gel paint. So we'll have a look at the rose gold gel paint first. So you get 5ml in these pots. You get your ingredients on the back there. Again, if anyone wants to screenshot those and take a look at the ingredients, you can do. So these gel paints cure for 2 minutes in an LED light and 4 minutes in a UV light, depending on the wattage of your lamp, to be honest. I never usually cure mine for as long as 2 minutes. These also vegan, cruelty-free, palm oil-free, 21-free formula and HEMA-free. As you can hear, my voice is still no better, guys. So inside you've got the protective foil seal, which we all hate. So let's give it a swatch and have a look at it, shall we? Super sparkly. Guys, that is cram-packed full of glitter. And it's all cured now, and it's cured without a tacky layer, which I really like. So that's the rose gold gel paint. Now we're going to look at these new embossing gels. So this is the white one. Again, you get 5ml. These are also vegan, cruelty-free, palm oil-free, 21-free formula and HEMA-free. I'm going to show you the ingredients for these as well, if anyone wants to take a look through those. These also, like the gel paints, cure for 2 minutes in an LED light and 4 minutes in a UV light. So let's take a look at it, shall we? Inside the pot, these have also got them awful foil seals. I really hate that. I wish they'd put plastic lids in them like the pudding gels have got. So let's have a look at it. So it's quite thick. So I'm using the Madam Glam striping brush. Can you see it's quite thick? Looks really pigmented though. So I'm just going to pop a little bit on my palette. I like working off my palette rather than I do out the pot. That way it just stops any dust getting in it. So I've pulled out an old swatch stick that was already pre-painted. Now I'm just doing a little bit of doodling with this, guys, just having a little play with it. So this is definitely not my best artwork by far. But we're going to be doing a bit of sweater print using this white embossing gel first.
Let's make a movie with you, baby. I just wanna movie with your loving.
So like I said, guys, I'm just having a little play with it. I just wanted to see what it applies like, see how opaque it is, and just get a general feel for it, really. So now I'm going to wipe that off instead of cure it, because I want to try doing some flowers with this embossing gel next. So I'm going to start off by doing some petals with the white. These are super easy, beginner-friendly flowers. And then on the side of the nail, I want to do half a flower. So I'm just going to do loads of little petals going round in a semicircle. And then once I've done all of those, I'm going to pop it in the lamp to cure. So that's all fully cured. Now I'm going to go over and do a second row of petals over that first row. And then once I've done them, again, I'll give it a cure in the lamp. Now we're going to use the black 3D embossing gel. That is just the same as the white, really thick. Pop a bit of that on my palette. And I'm just going to do loads of little dots in the middle of this flower. Like that. And then I'm going to do the same on that side flower as well. Just loads of little dots. And then I shall pop that in the lamp to cure. So I've pulled another old swatch stick out, and on this nail we're going to be using the black embossing gel. And with it being St. Patrick's Day very soon, I thought I would paint a clover. So to paint a clover, all I paint is 3 love hearts. Just like that. I start off painting the love hearts smaller than what I actually want them. Just so if they're not even, when it comes to making them bigger, I can straighten it up. I hope that makes sense. And then I'm just going to do a little stalk going down there like that. Do you know what I like about this embossing gel, guys? It gives nail art depth, you know, because it's textured slightly. I really like that about this stuff. So I'm going to cure that for 2 minutes. Now I've pulled out this green chrome powder and I'm just going to burnish that into that cured texture gel, just like that. Give it a rub over and that is that done. Because that texture gel cures without a tacky layer, you can burnish chromes into it and all sorts. I really like that about it. Can you see what I mean by a texture? It's textured and it looks really cool. So that is all the swatches, guys. Look at those cat eyes. How beautiful are they? I really like them. I like them over the clear and I like them over the black, to be honest. But over the black, they look like a flash of light, don't they? Well smart. So that is everything for today's video, guys. I'll leave the names to all of the products that I showed you today in my description box below. I have got a massive 35% off discount code for Madam Glam as well, guys. I'll leave that pinned in my comments along with a link to the Madam Glam website. I really hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing. And I hope to see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.